Nobody cares. Work harder. Miyamoto Musashi. You think the world owes you something. You think someone will notice your pain, your effort, or your struggle. But the truth is harsh and simple. Nobody cares. Not your competition, not your peers, not even the people closest to you. Life doesn't pause to recognize your hard work or reward your intentions. If you want greatness, if you want to rise above mediocrity, you have to accept one fundamental truth: the world doesn't owe you a thing. This is exactly what Miyamoto Musashi taught through his life and his writing. He didn't wait for recognition, he didn't seek validation, and he didn't complain about the obstacles in his path. He worked harder than anyone else because he understood that effort is the only currency that truly matters. Every day you have two choices: wallow in the fact that no one notices your progress, or double down and push further. Complaining changes nothing. Waiting for someone to acknowledge you changes nothing. But action, consistent, relentless, deliberate action changes everything. Musashi didn't become a master swordsman by hoping others would see his potential. He became a master by grinding in silence, training until his body and mind were sharper than anyone else's, and moving forward regardless of recognition. This is the mindset you need today. So stop waiting for applause. Stop expecting encouragement. Stop looking for someone to tell you that you're on the right path. Nobody cares. And that's the greatest freedom you can have. It frees you from relying on external validation, from needing permission, and from being paralyzed by what others think. Work harder than yesterday. Outperform your own limits. Be relentless in your pursuit of excellence, because the only person whose approval matters is the person staring back at you in the mirror. Musashi's legacy isn't just about swords and duels, it's about mastery of self, about putting in the work no one else will, and about thriving in a world that doesn't pause for anyone. Remember this: the moment you accept that nobody cares is the moment you stop making excuses. The moment you stop making excuses is the moment you take control of your destiny. Nobody cares. Work harder. Sharpen your skills. Build your discipline. Dominate your craft. And when the world finally notices, it won't be because it owes you, it will be because you earned it.